Okay, in this video we'll be talking about base conversion, which is basically converting numbers in a different base to another base. So let me pick a number 567 in base 3, and then if you want to make that to base 10. What we essentially want to do is, let's say we have actually a value b. So, and then for a 3-digit number, we use the numbers 0, 1, and 2, and then for 4-digit 0, 1, 2, 3, and then so on. So this is going to be 0, 1, and 2, and I'm going to rewrite that. 0, 1, and 2. So to make that to base 10, that's just going to be 5 times b, because we're going to do number by number. So we're going to take this value and raise it to these numbers. So we're going to put b squared, and then it's 5 because that's the first number. Then we add 6b to the first because that's the second. And then the last one is just 7b to 0. This is just 5b plus 6b plus 7. Okay, so that's the thing for converting to a another number. So let's convert this in base 3 to base 10. So now what we're going to do is 5 times 3 squared plus 6 times 3 to the first plus 7 times 3 to the 0. So this is just 45 plus 18 plus 7, and that's going to be, what is that again? 70. So 567 in base 3 to base 10 is just going to be 70. Okay, let's say we have a number in base 10 and we want to convert it to a different base. So I'm just going to pick a base 10 number like 128 base 10. That's basically the thing we use, but like when we say it, we say, and then we, let's say, want to convert it to base 8. Okay. So for this, we're gonna use remainders and when we divide. So we're gonna divide by the base number here, which is 8. And so we know that's like exactly 16 and it has no remainder. So you put the remainder value in your last digit spot. Then you do the same thing. 18 8, that's just 2 with the remainder 0. So another 0. Now you do 2 divided by 8. That's 0 remainder 2, of course. So the last one's 2. You stop when your first value is 0. So 128 in base 8 is 200. But we don't say 200 because when we say 200, we mean in base 10 because that's what we use. So we say 200 in base 8. And that's how you convert from different bases. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you learned something new.